In this video, we're going to be making a simple bench. Very easy. Step by step how to do it. Alright, let's get to it then. Now we're going to add an extra board. You can see I put Greg jigs in, so we're going to screw it down. Just like that. Now that we got our screws in, I traced to cut this out, line all the way up, and that will be the top, and this will be like the arm piece right here. So we're gonna trace that just like that, and the other one too. And now we're going to be doing our bottom. Now that we have our bottom piece cut up, we're going to Craig jig. We're going to Craig jig the bottom. We're going to shoot down. Okay, now that we have our Craig jigs in on both sides, we're ready to put the bottom in. And I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna go 3 inches up high. Now that we have our bottom on, we're gonna be making our back pieces next. Our backsplash. Our board's all cut up for our back. We're gonna be screwing them in. We're gonna be screwing them in right here to the legs. We have our back all screwed in. See? We're going to make our front pieces. Okay, now that we got our 2 boards cut, we're gonna make a little pattern for our bottom piece. Just did an outline. I'll be cutting on the bandsaw. You can do whatever you want. That we got our bottom cut out, we're gonna be screwing it. Put these stoppers for our top in next. Stoppers in. So you can see I screwed them in. We're gonna make a piece, a long piece that goes all the way to the back. Just like that. Now we're gonna screw this piece from the back side. We screwed in our screws. See? For our back piece to put our hinges on. We're gonna make our top. We have our top piece. Fit it in, see how it fits. And I have a little bit of a gap on each side, which is good, so it will go up. Now we're gonna router it. We have it all round up with our router, as you can see. We're ready to put our hinges on. And you want to have a little bit of a gap, just like that. Okay, now that we got our hinges on, screwed in, now we're gonna make our top piece. And I've got a trace out right here, pattern I'm gonna do. Looks just like that. Cut out now. I'm gonna do a heart shape in the middle. Okay, now that we have our piece all cut out, I did my heart shape, and I also routered it. I went round over. I even went through the heart too. So now we're gonna screw it from the back.